Today we're going to be replacing a battery on a 2013 BMW 328i. Come with me and we're going to get started. Now the battery is located in the trunk, and to see it we're going to have to remove this black piece here. And we're going to have to remove two other pieces, this piece and this piece. Now with the panels removed, we can start the removal process of the battery. As far as sockets go, we're going to need a 10 and a 13. The 10 is going to be for the battery terminals and the battery hold down. The 13 is going to be for the battery junction tray right here on top. I hope this video helps, and if it did, please leave a like and or comment. It helps the YouTube algorithm.